Alright folks, today we're going to be replacing some old brass knobs. I guess I don't know how old they are, but they're certainly brass. We're going to go ahead and swap those out for a nice new lever set. Got them right here. That's a beautiful set right there from Schlag. That is the Camelot Accent in oil rub bronze, I believe they call it. Alright, so let's do this quick. This job take about 5 minutes. Anyone can do this. Your 4-year-old son or daughter can do this. Okay. Alright, so we got the handles here. This here is for a bathroom, so it's got the lock on that side and the pinhole to unlock on that side. Real quick, it's got the this little piece doohickey right here goes in the door jamb, and of course the latch goes in the door. 6 screws. That's the little unlock device. Also use it to swap the handles if you need to. We'll see about that in just a minute. We ain't gonna need this, and we ain't gonna need no instructions, that's for sure. Alright, and the only tools you really need is just a screwdriver. Okay, but I got this right here to help us do the job as well. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, first we're going to remove the old hardware, and that's just going to be a real quick jobby. So go ahead and just pop these screws out, and like to steady it with my foot here, like so, and just pop them out. No problem. Pop the next one right here. This bit's a little bit worn, so just ignore that. Alright, just a little better view for you. Pop out these 2 screws here, the door jamb. Get rid of those. And then 2 screws right here. These ones are usually kind of hard to get to, but you can do it on an angle. Just go slow to start, and then let her have it. Boom. You get the next one. Perfect. Alright, we'll pull those out. Just a little more in there. There's that one. Alright. There we go. Hold the whole handle out. Hold the latch right on out. Throw it in your donate box. Come back through. Got my new latch. Make sure, of course, you got the slanty part towards the door jamb. Pop it in. Down right there. Pop these screws open real quick. 6 screws. Okay. Long ones. Those are going to be for the actual handle. Put those aside. Alright. Let's do this. I got my clutch set on round 2. So we don't want to overwork these screws. You may want to use your regular screwdriver for this as well. It's really up to you, of course. There we go. Just get that aligned properly. Let her have it. Give it through real good, because you got to get the screws tight, and the clutch is going to help you with that. Boom. Easy peasy. And then we got this one here. Just quick. Don't finalize these screws until you get the handle on. In fact, it's up to you. You can just wait entirely. Get the handle on first. Your choice. Alright. Let's check the handle. Now, of course, we'll make sure the push button's on the inside, and would you look at that? Dang thing's upside down. It's supposed to be pointing down. So, all we got to do, take this little tool they included. Mighty nice of them to include that little tool. Find the hole. It's easier if you move the trim plate out the way. Here we go. Let's see. You see that little tiny hole right See if you can see it. There it is right there. Take the pin and you're going to push it down in there real good. Takes a little bit of force sometimes to... Alright folks, that one gave me a little trouble. Sometimes you have to make sure the handle's actually pushed on all the way, because if you look in the hole, I doubt you can see that, but there's a little metal piece right there. You can kind of see it. That's what you're trying to push in. So align it, push down, and pull the handle right off, hopefully. Yep, there you go. Kind of hard to do on camera, but you get the point. So we're just going to take that handle, put it on the other one, and just switch both of them over. Alright, one more thing to note. There's a little notch here. See it there? You can kind of see it. Anyway, that goes at the bottom. At least I put it at the bottom. It looks better that way. So make sure your plate's turned around correctly. And we go ahead and just slide in that outside handle. Meet it up with the inside handle. Grab your screw. Hand tighten it just a little bit until it catches. Sometimes these things are a real bear to get caught on the threads there. But that one wasn't so bad. Do the bottom. Now these ones, I'll go ahead and hand tighten. And just tighten them most of the way until you still have some freedom, because you want to make sure they're nice and straight. With these ones, especially because it has this nice detail on the trim plate, so you want to make sure that's straight up and down. And be careful as well that you don't rub your ratchet or your drill chuck on the handle itself. So I'll just adjust these. Kind of easier if you turn them at the same time. Make sure in and out, looking good. Nice alignment on those. Hold them tight and go ahead and tighten down those screws. Hand tight, nice and easy. Don't overdo it. Strip them and you'll be real upset. Boom. That's it, folks. That's it. Oh, we gotta finish tightening these bad boys up. Don't forget about that. That's where this baby comes back in handy and saves us about half a second. Right down to the clutch. Perfect. Alright folks, that's it. I hope you learned something new today. And boom. We got a perfect shutting door right there. No problem at all. Wait a minute, dang thing don't even shut. Check out part 2 to see why the door don't shut. See ya.